In this video, I'll show you 5 steps to make Windows 11 faster. Step 1. Disable startup applications. On Windows 11, you can quickly disable apps running on startup using the Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. Click on the Status column to sort the applications and identify those that are currently enabled to run on startup. Right-click on the app and select Disable option. Step 2. Disk Cleanup. One way to keep storage under control in Windows 11 is to use tools like Disk Cleanup. It will delete the junk files and the cache from your computer. Open File Explorer. Right-click the primary system drive and select Properties. Click on Disk Cleanup button. Now click the Clean up System Files button and select the files you want to delete to free up space. This will delete all the cache and the junk files from your system. Step 3. Change current power plan. To change the current power plan to high performance in Windows 11, do the following steps. Right-click on the battery icon and click Power Options. Now select High Performance Power Plan. This will make sure your processor always runs at the best possible speed. Step 4. Increase paging file size. Increasing the size of the paging file can help to speed up your computer. Open Settings, click on System, and click About. Click the Advanced System Settings. In the Advanced tab, under Performance, click the Settings button. Click on the Advanced tab. Now under Virtual Memory, click the Change button. Select Custom Size option. Now enter initial and maximum size for the paging files in megabytes. Usually it's recommended to use a number that is 1.5 times of the total available memory for the initial size and 3 times of available memory for the maximum size when possible. Step 5. Remove unnecessary applications. You should always consider removing bloatware and the apps you never use to increase the system performance. Open Settings, click on Apps, and click on Apps and Features. Select the apps you want to remove. You can also sort the apps based on the usage. Click the Uninstall button and it will uninstall the app. After following these steps, you will notice a significant improvement in your Windows 11 performance. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.